What is compost? Compost is a mix of decaying nutrient-rich soil with medium density that is naturally made using oxygen, bacteria, water, and organic materials. Compost combines green matter such as food product with a brown matter such as twigs and dry leaf. It is an environmentally sustainable way to dispose of some yard and kitchen waste. So, why we need to do compost? Compost helps our world from loaded with trash. Garbage doesn't get used like compost does because garbage goes into a big pile. These piles are called landfill. When you throw your food into the garbage, this is where end up landfill seriously affect our planet's air and water. The leftover food is known as a food scraps that produce a gas called methane. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas that can contribute to a global warming. Hotter temperature can melting the ice cap, rises the sea level, and animals will losing their home. There's a lot of water in food. When food scraps are put into the landfills, the water in the food will combine with all the other items in the landfills and create a toxic sludge called leachate. Leachate can lead to the groundwater and get into the river and lakes and harming the creatures that live there and dirty the water that we drink. When we compost the food scraps instead of sending them to landfills, we will reduce both the amount of methane and leachate created, and also we can conserve the landfill space. And sure, composting is much better for our planet. Composting is an inexpensive. It is a natural process that transforms your kitchen and garden waste into a valuable and nutrient-rich food for your garden. There's a lot of benefits of composting. First, it can enrich soil by helping retain moisture and suppress plant disease and pests. Second, it can reduce the need for chemical fertilizer. By using compost as a garden fertilizer, it will improve the soil quality and help plants grow better. Third, it also can neutralize soil. In many cases, soil is too acidic or basic for plants to grow properly. Adding compost to soil helps to regulate the acid and alkaline level in your soil. Fourth, encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, where it is a rich nutrient-filled material. Next, it can reduce the methane emission from landfills and lower the carbon footprint. In one of the biggest contributors of greenhouse gases, specifically methane, is our landfill. If we compost the organic portion of our waste, we could drastically reduce those emissions. Lastly, it can prevent waste and conserve resources. By composting at home, we can reduce the need to collect, process, treat, and/or dispose of biodegradable material. So, this will save the landfill space and the fuel needed to move things around.
How to make compost? Basically, there are three main materials that we need in order to make compost. The first one is soil, second, food waste, and the third one is corn. Steps to make compost. First, choose a container with some holes. Then, put the soil as the first layer of the mixture in the container. Add the food waste into the container. After that, add the corn into the container. Add some water and mix all the material until it mixes well. Lastly, close the container with the lid and check the temperature at least once in 3 days. Now, let's see how the making process of the compost. Next, in order to know the composting process is done, we can analyze by checking the temperature, color, odor, and the moisture. As the graph shown, we can see that from day 1 to day 10, the temperature increases. This indicates that the compost is in the active phase. Next, the temperature decreases, which indicates the compost is in the cooling phase. Then, the compost undergo the maturity phase as the temperature a little bit stable. After complete all the phase, then the compost is done and ready to be used.
Composting as a treatment of organic waste had been proven to significantly reduce the volume of waste in the country. Composting is not difficult, but sometimes the process requires a little extra attention. Now, you already know about composting and their benefits. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start composting today and together we save our environment. For more details, you can take a look at our booklet that have been provided in the training kit. That's all. Thank you for watching.